here I have a rack of ribs from a lamb. So I was asked a long time ago, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago, please make something with those, and I'm finally doing it. So I'm going to put a rub on them. I do not like a whole lot of rub, I just like some. And we're going to bake these in the oven, 275. See, sometimes I really do, I do request, but it might take me a long time. And so I'm going to wrap these up. It doesn't really have to be sealed. But I want these to cook in their own juices. And I'll put this onto a tray into my 375 degree oven. Let's make the barbecue sauce. It's going to be a vinegar barbecue sauce, Carolina. It's 1 cup of cider vinegar, 1/2 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. I'm using Valentina hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of ordinary chili powder, salt, 1.5 teaspoons, chili flakes, that is 1.5 teaspoons, and these are a milder chili flake. I'll tell you about them in the description. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Dry mustard, 1/2 teaspoon. One tablespoon of Dijon mustard. You can use yellow mustard, but the Dijon, it tastes much better in this, I think. That was a tablespoon of mustard and a tablespoon of honey. Now I'm going to turn the heat on, and I'm going to cook this about 15 minutes on a low simmer. This has been in the 375 degree oven for 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. I'm going to move it over here to a different dish. And we'll put some barbecue sauce on it. We're going to take some of our homemade barbecue sauce. The rub that I made and put together, I'll put in the description as well, the recipe for it. It is a kind of a Carolina type rub as well. I'll turn this over. Put some barbecue sauce on this side. Turn it back over again. I could have started on the bottom side, really. Put some more sauce on. And back into our 275 degree oven. Here's the ribs out of the oven. Yes, it looks dark, but don't worry. They baked for an additional 1.5 hours, uncovered, for 3 hours total. Just need to let them cool down, and we'll cut them up. I'm going to turn them over. Very soft. Oops, almost lost it. Just cut this into ribs. Very tender. Very hot. We'll add a little more sauce on top. They smell good. It's going to be good. Let's try. Let's have a taste. I can't really pick them up because they're so tender they'll fall apart. It's really good. Kind of sweet and sour, and it's not spicy really because of the it got diluted, the sauce did, with the meat. Very good. Well, that's how you can cook some lamb ribs. It's also called breast. And thank you so much for watching.